Hello again, my name is Gabe Zolna. This is the 27th of June, 2017. I posted around 10 videos yesterday. One of them was titled, "Since When Does the Supreme Court Establish Policy?" This morning it's only had 1,487 views, 164 thumbs up and 8 thumbs down. And when I turned on the set this morning, I saw Mark Levin, and he was talking about the decision made by the Supreme Court justices. Now, what people have to realize is that these justices are appointed by a president. They're not elected by the people. Yet these 9 justices dictate their whims and whims on all of us. As I stated in that video, how is it that they establish policy? Their responsibility is to make certain that any and all decisions that are made by the president or by any other institution or organization adhere to the Constitution. Do you think that they've done that? You think that they're doing that? Well, they're not. What they're doing and what they've done from the beginning when they were formed is they adhere to the ideology of those that put them in power. And that's why you've got Justice Elena Kagan, who wasn't even a judge. She was the dirtbag attorney that buried Obama's miserable past. Why would someone spend millions of dollars to bury their past unless they had a reason to bury their past? And then you've got Sonia Sotomayor, appointed by that crack-smoking Sunni Islamic extremist fudge-packing homosexual Muslim Arab bastard. So those two are in lockstep with each other. And then you got Ruth Ginsburg, whose cheese slipped off her cracker a long time ago. I don't even know if she knows what she's voting for. But again, they don't vote on rule of law, they don't vote on the Constitution, they vote on their twisted ideology. And then you got people like Justice John Roberts, who gave us Obamacare because he wanted to keep his 2 adopted daughters. They're Irish. Americans can't adopt Irish citizens according to the Irish Constitution. Go look it up yourself. The whole thing's insane. The Supreme Court doesn't work. What we saw here, and what amazes me, is that President Trump and the rest of the Republicans are ecstatic. It was a 9-0. They were all in favor. In favor of what? In favor of dictating to him what he can and can't do? Yeah, well, you can stop people from coming in, but not if they have relatives here in the United States, or not if they've already been accepted by a university. Really? It can't work halfway. The thing's a complete farce. This morning, I plan to contact the White House and express my frustration in the White House being so pleased with the Supreme Court's decision. What President Trump should do is slap him beside the head. They can't go halfway. They can't say half of what you want to do you can do and the other half you can't do, and we're going to dictate what you can do. Can you not see how insane all of this is? Huh? So you've got these Supreme Court justices that are put on the bench by presidents. The most recent one, according to President Trump, is someone that will value the Constitution, Judge Gorsuch. How do we know that? Well, we don't know that. We don't know what they're going to do until they do it. The whole thing's a complete joke. Our government system doesn't work. The 2-party system doesn't work. The Senate doesn't work. The Congress doesn't work. It needs a complete overhaul. It needs what Donald Trump said he would do, which he hasn't done. He said he drained the swamp. He hasn't drained the swamp. Not a single swamp critter has been removed. It gets real frustrating, folks. You know, I do the best I can to wake people up. And when I take a look as I stated, that video's had 1,487 views. Whoopee-doo. Whoopee-doo. I bust my balls to try to wake people up. It's not working. It's not working. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm going to contact the White House if I can. Not that they care, but it is insane. The Supreme Court's a joke. They're all going on their summer break. Who the hell gets, 2 or 3 months off? Do you? Huh? You're lucky if you get a week off. What a complete joke. They've enslaved the American people. They meaning the powers in Washington. That's sort of what I think. And you know why I think what I think, don't you?